The Bharatiya Janata Party on Tuesday named 6 former Congress MLAs disqualified from the House as its candidates for the Himachal Pradesh Assembly by-polls. The BJP on Tuesday named its candidates for the Assembly by-polls in several states including Gujarat, Sikkim, West Bengal and Karnataka. The party has fielded the 6 MLAs from the seats they held as Congress members before their disqualification. The BJP nominated Sudhir Sharma from Dharamshala, Ravi Thakur from Lahaul and Spiti, Rajinder Rana from Sujanpur, Inder Dutt Lakhanpal from Barsar, Chaitanya Sharma from Gagret and Devinder Kumar Bhutto from Kutlehar. All 6 of them switched over to the BJP from the Congress on March 23rd, nearly a month after being disqualified from the Himachal Pradesh Assembly for defying a party whip to be present in the House and vote in favour of the government during the cut motions and budget. These MLAs and 3 independents had voted in favour of the BJP nominee Harsh Mahajan in the Rajya Sabha polls held in the state on February 27, triggering a crisis for the Congress-led government in the state. The 3 independents, Ashish Sharma, Hamirpur constituency, Hoshiar Singh, Dehra and KL Thakur, Nalargarh, submitted their resignation on March 22 and joined the BJP on the next day. The Himachal Pradesh Assembly by-polls will be held on June 1, along with the election to the 4 Lok Sabha seats in the state, Hamirpur, Shimla, Mandi and Kangra. With the disqualification of 6 Congress MLAs, the strength of the ruling party came down from 40 to 34, including the Speaker, who can vote only in the case of a tie during a floor test in the 68-member assembly. The BJP has 25 members. Ever since the Rajya Sabha polls, the BJP and Congress have been trading charges, with the ruling party slamming the opposition for hatching a conspiracy to topple the democratic elected government in the state by using money power and maintaining that the public will not forgive the Congress rebels for their betrayal. The BJP has said the Chief Minister should have resigned on moral grounds. BJP leaders, the 6 Congress rebels and independent legislators also lashed at the government, especially Chief Minister Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu, for humiliating the MLAs and bringing development to a halt. Rana on Saturday said more legislators were feeling suffocated in the Congress and were in contact with them. They will also show the courage to leave the Congress in the coming days, he claimed. The rebels had slammed the Congress leadership for causing a political disaster and maintained that the state government was on a ventilator.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.